Excessive humidity can cause quite a wide range of negative, even harmful effects. It can work its way into walls, under floors, into wood and grout. It can damage your home temporarily or even permanently if left unchecked. It will attack your possessions and promote mold and mildew growth. Room dehumidifiers and larger capacity domestic dehumidifiers will remove much of the excess moisture and arrest mold and mildew-linked fungi, and can help maintain indoor humidity at a more desirable level. A little moisture is not a bad thing, but when your indoor humidity reaches 55% or above, you are in the trouble zone, and you should look into dehumidifiers for home use. To learn more about domestic dehumidifiers for your home, please contact dehumidifiersuk.com.